Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set email preferences on the AutoOne.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this three dots icon that you can find down below in the right side corner. Then tap on the third option, email preferences. Here you can select the frequency settings, such as when would you like to receive a newsletter, such as in an hourly basis, or 3 hourly, daily or weekly. After selecting the relevant one, click on the apply button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's how you can set your email preferences. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.